Welcome to Cutler Legal Basic Law. Today we're going to talk about protected class. This is a term that's bandied about quite often in the area of discrimination and harassment. And I thought it deserved a little bit more focus, so it's very clear what we're talking about and what the implications are of being in a protected class. A protected class is a designation by the legislature, whether it's the state legislature or the federal government, that people within that class cannot be discriminated against or harassed by the sake that they are a member of that class. i.e., you cannot be harassed or discriminated because of your race. You cannot be harassed or discriminated because of your religion, your gender, sex, or nationality. Those are the basic ones. And what we're seeing now is an expansion of these classes. We have the whole movement of transgender issues, and states are expanding that out. We also are seeing, with regards to pregnancy, an expansion to include pregnant women in a protected class. If you are a member of the protected class, are you essentially kryptonite? Can no bad things happen to you by an employer? No. I often have people contact me and say, I'm in a protected class and I was terminated, so therefore I have a right to sue. No, you don't. If the termination was valid because you were not performing, it has nothing to do with you being signaled out because you were in a protected class. It means you were fired because of performance. What a protected class designation means is that you cannot be terminated because you are in that class. And that class includes everybody, even the majority. So if you're in a white area and the majority is white males cannot be just singled out, because they are white male. That's what it means. But the fact that you might be a minority of some sort, whether it's religious, ethnicity, or race or gender, and an adverse employment action has been taken against you, you cannot say that that is a that was done because you were in a protected class. You have to make a connection between the action and the fact you're in a protected class, that you were adversely affected because you were in the protected class. Now, the next question is, can one harass somebody because they're in the same protected class as you are, or discriminate against somebody because they're in the same protected class as you are? For example, let's say I'm Argentinian and I have an Argentinian employee from Argentina, and I discriminate against that employee, or I harass that employee because they're from Argentina. I can't defend myself, say, look, we're both Argentine. You know, I just happen not to like Argentines, but you can't discriminate against your own people. Not true. You can, and the law will hold you responsible if you discriminate or harass somebody, irrespective of whether they're from the same protected class as you are from or not. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for listening.